Bruce Scheffler here. Last time I showed you how to go to an autoresponder, create a campaign, then create a form that you could put on your website or your blog to capture email addresses, put them into your list so you've got somebody to market to when people come and look at your blog. Today I'm going to show you how to manipulate images in a program called Gimp. And this is Gimp's website. It is an open source program, which means you don't have to pay for it. It does almost everything that Photoshop does, and I know that it does everything that the average marketing person needs to do in order to have some nice looking images that they've created for their website. So I'm going to go down here, open Gimp, and first thing I'm going to do is close this out because we're going to come back to that. I want to start out by showing you what you can do with just photos. And let me move this out of the way. It's the toolbox. It's a drop-down box called Tools. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is go to the Transform Tools and hit Crop. See this little thing up here? You set it. Go like that. Everything that's inside of that box is now the new picture. Other things you can do from the toolbox is let's go to the Paint Tools. Hit the paintbrush, and you can also pick different sizes of brushes. I'm just using the default one to show you that you can do that. If you don't like the color, you go in here. Let's pick red. Okay. And now you've got a different color to go with. You can also go over to this box and do things like use this one a lot. This is called the Erase tool, and if you want to clean something up in a photo, you can actually erase whatever's there. This has different sizes you can use, and you can also enlarge the picture up quite high so that you're working on a small area and you can see it very clearly. So that's just some of the things you can do with this. What you need to do is probably get it, work with it, spend some time. There's some help files, and there's a little bit of a learning curve, but it takes just a little bit of while. Now I'm going to show you something that's a little more practical. This is, you saw it earlier, this is a header file that I downloaded, and I actually did something with it and put it on the blog that I've been working on. But I'm going to show you how to add some text to this. Now, when this text box comes up, there's a number of things you can do with it. One, you can go in here, there, and let's go. I just changed the font. Since this is blue, I think I'm going to go to the yellow. Get up here, get a nice bright yellow. So now I've changed the font color. And the next thing I'm going to do is go here and show it where we're going to put the text by putting a box right here. Okay. Now, you go back over here and you say use editor. And I'm going to type in change your life. Okay, it's a little small, so the next thing we do is highlight it. You know. And we're going to make it bigger. That's pretty good size. And here we have a banner that says change your life. Okay, now I'm going to save that banner. And I'm going to save it as header 4. I said header 5 because I've been working with some other ones here. Save that. So if something happens, I can bring it back up again and redo it. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the web, so I need to export it. It's going to export as header 5 as a JPEG. Let's give it some real high quality. And we're going to export it. So it's just exported. So now I'm going to close this down. I'm going to go back over to my blog. And when you want to change the header in your blog, I'm going to go back up to the dashboard. So you go to Appearance, you go down to Header, this is the header. This is the header that I've got up here right now. All right, I'm going to change it. Go down and find the file. Here's header 5. One is a GIMP image. I don't want to use that one. I want to use the JPEG image that I exported. So I highlight this. I open it. Upload it. And as you can see, it's not quite big enough to fill up the whole area that the header takes. That's right, I center it like this. Hit crop and publish. And I'm going to visit the site. And see that I just changed the header. Now you can do this with any photo image that you want to do. It just takes some time to learn how to do it. You can put images all over your blog. You can dress it up any way you want to. And it's very simple. So next time we'll do something else. For now, Google GIMP, go pick it up and learn how to use it.